Guys, to be very honest with you, we are recording this particular part at the end of the video after the video has ended because Sir had a very good suggestion. Uh, we thought that it's better to have a background or share that story which led to this collaboration wherein we are creating these session with these sessions for you. I was recently at a session where Sir was the speaker and he was giving an overview of these tools which you're going to see in a while. I thought this is something that can help people on a day-to-day activities. You hear out these big terms and big sentences, but it all boils down to whether AI is going to help you in your actual routine activities or not. So I think that these tools are going to help you in your day-to-day activities a big time. Right, sir?
Right, definitely correct. Because if these type of tools, and in most of the speaker events or in meetups or in LinkedIn posts, you can see a lot of fancy jargons are there, right? So these jargons are like after listening them, you will think that it's very complex. Can I do it?
Correct.
Not do it? But I was thinking, let's take an opportunity with some short examples to explain how someone or if anyone who wants to learn this AI can easily learn this.
Correct.
Certainly, I have told you a one part only, a very small part.
I know. Yeah.
Once you start learning these tools, you will get to know more features about these tools,
Correct.
how we'll get it, how we'll make it more things in and around using these tools. And another thing is there are n number of tools available in the market, right? But if you are you have an expertise in one or two tools, right? So it will be more enough for me, as per my understanding, that if you have a good hands-on on one of the development AI tool or one of the tool which can create some gadgets or dashboard for you, right? Because there are a number of tool, Bolts is there, Copilot, Cursor, right? Lovable is there. So no one can sit and make the champion yourself for all the tool.
True.
So if you have the right understanding, which tool is good for me, basically tool is not the thing. The right model is the thing.
Correct.
So if right model is fitting with my task which I need to be done, that tool is good for me.
Correct.
That's it. And hopefully me and Chaitanya helped you to
Yeah.
learn some new things in a very easy way or easy manner. Please comment us if anything more you want to learn in and around the AI integration and testing. We'll try to take that up and give to you.
That sounds good. That sounds good. ठीक है, कूल है, ये अच्छा रिकॉर्ड हो गया और बड़ा रियलिस्टिक लग रहा है कि हमने पूरे रियलिस्टिक तरीके से शेयर किया है. Hi everyone, and welcome to another exciting session of Tech and More. I am Chaitanya, your host for the day, and today we are going to deep dive into a topic that is currently reshaping the entire world, so much so the testing world as well. That is, how can AI transform the day-to-day life of a software tester? Now, today, I am thrilled to have with us our esteemed guest, that is Rohit Mehta. He is a seasoned QA leader and an AI enthusiast who has been, I would say, the forefront of integrating AI into modern testing practices in the current era. First of all, thank you so much for joining, sir. And before I deep dive into the main topics of the day, talk about the questions and so on, I would just like you to introduce yourself to our guest and share your experience overall.
Yeah, thank you, Chaitanya, for giving me this opportunity to sharing my thought on how AI can speed up the current technology software tester, as well as how software tester can leverage this AI as a technology or tool to speed up their work and showcase their work.
Right.
Okay. So, as uh, first of all, hi to your audience. Hello, everyone. Namaste. So, my name is Rohit Mehta, and I have already more than 15 years of experience in this field of IT.
Mhm.
So, I have around 8 years of experience as a code developer, and after that, I moved into the testing and automation space. So, I am a passionate test advocate and a good community speaker associated with multiple testing communities.
Yeah.
Also, I'm right now leading the QA practices and Pratham Software Jaipur,
Yeah.
and I'm expert in BDD practices as well as test ops strategy.
Mhm.
And I also have a good experience in microservices testing and robust, reliable, and high quality of software solutions. I have a good vision and working as a visionary leader in our software community as well as in my organization, so that we will leverage the cutting edge technology and improve ourselves day by day.
Correct. That sounds amazing, sir. And I think your immense experience will help us big time. And what amazes me as a as a spectator, because I was there with you in one of the sessions that was held at your office, that is I see a lot of people who cross a certain amount of experience and they're a little resistant towards learning new things. And when you were giving the presentation and sharing your knowledge and you were showing something new, so I really felt good that, and this was something which was worth learning, that even when you outgrow and you become a leader, when you tend to get a little away from the technical part of the things, you are still thriving to learn something new technically. So I think that that experience will be very helpful to our viewers today. And so for the viewers, guys, what we have done is to make it more quantifiable, to make it more track worthy. We have broken down this entire session of ours into two videos. So, sir, here will be talking about the two tools that you can use as a software tester in your day-to-day activities that will enhance your overall performance and sort of reduce your overall time. So, the first video which you are watching right now, herein, sir will be talking about generating reports and dashboards with the help of AI, and how you can sort of reduce your entire work of sending daily status reports and dashboards and everything that you do every day by 50%. In the second video, he's going to talk about more from the automation perspective. That is, how can you use AI to reduce your effort and to, so all in all, you get more time to work on more test cases and maybe work on more automation action items. So, but before I deep dive into that, I would just like to, ask you one or two very simple questions, because even I had these questions when AI was introduced and everything, and there was so much fear around the job security and everything. The first question that I have is that, why should testers care about AI? Why do we need to be so much inclined towards AI?
See, AI, some people always fear with AI, right? So AI is nothing to be fear about. AI is just like our technology which we are using, just
Correct.
like a Java, C Sharp,
Correct.
and some other technology.
Correct.
AI is also like that, right? So the use of AI is because your question is, why should testers care about AI,
Right.
right?
Right.
So AI is just like a helping hand for us.
Correct.
Okay. So whatever the task associated on with our daily activities, right? If what if someone with us who can solve it for us very quickly.
Correct.
So because being a tester, what I can say that writing a test cases regularly, okay, test plan regularly or test scenarios, test reports. So after a certain time, it becomes monotonous to us, right? What happens if I will say you to sit and write test cases daily? 8 hours a day, 6 hours a day, it will be monotonous job, right?
Correct.
As well as there is a possibility that if my experience, previous experience was in, let's say, payment domain, and now I moved to healthcare domain, right?
Correct.
Because mostly we worked in a service-based industry.
Yeah.
So whatever we will do, we will get all the knowledge of the tool, technology, domain. There might be certain space where it might possible that we miss some of the edge cases,
Correct.
because like suppose my core experience was in payment domain, right? Banking and payment. And
Mhm.
now I moved to healthcare. So there is a possibility that I can like breach some of the edge cases, correct?
Correct. That's right.
Here we can take the help of AI. So AI can help us to solve the real-time problem. It can help us to speed up our daily task, efficiency, and predictive analysis. When in terms of predictive analysis, the people who is not aware about that. So AI has that capability which can predict the things. So if we give some context in and around that, so AI can generate some of the predicted, like the test cases. Let's suppose if I am giving some context to my AI that, hey, please generate some test cases around this portal,
Correct.
which is doing so task for us. So whatever the model they have, they will do some predictive analysis and they will generate some test cases for you. So overall, this I can say is the right picture. Like, don't be afraid with AI. Just take it as a friend.
Got it. Got it. And sir, what do you think can be some good use cases for using AI in a typical STLC cycle? So if I talk about the different stages of STLC, what are some typical activities that which is a good idea to include AI into?
See, SDLC or Agile AI is not related with that. AI is always related with the task which we want to do with it, right? So
Okay.
when we talk about, if I am a BA, right? So my primary job is to understand the requirement, write the user stories, correct? So one way is I will sit, I will write, okay, and it might possible that writing style will change story by story,
Correct.
correct? But in terms of AI, if I will leverage some of the AI tools, right? I will give them context, I'll give them prompts, some prompt engineering, refine them, and generate a very beautiful user story which have a fantastic acceptance criteria, which have impact analysis, what to break, what to check. Okay, so this first thing which we can take in the help is writing the user stories,
Correct.
requirements.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then things will move to developers, right? So developer can take the leverages to writing the uh, small snippet of code, some libraries they want to integrate, or they want to write the unit test cases. They can use Copilot, Cursor, okay, Bolt. Number of integration AI tools are available there. When we talk about QA, then QA can take the responsibility or take the help of the AI to generate the test cases, test scenarios, okay, to start with the testing practice. Let's say you have to generate the test plan, take the help of AI, generate a test plan, give them right context. Sometimes it happens that for developer and tester, we need a huge amount of data to ingest into the tool, right? If you have a data analytics application, correct, which you want to be test on a GBs of data, 1 GB, 2 GBs, or 1 million, 2 million records.
Correct.
So take the help of AI to generate those type of records or to mask the records if you have some uh, pre-prod data available with you, right? And you want to test it on some pre-prod or UAT stage environments, right? So take the help to mask those data, realistic data into some mask data. So take the help of AI there. Apart from that, if you want to take a log analysis, right? So take you, let's suppose something somewhere broken down in production or in some lower environment, and you need to debug, and the file have number of records as a log, right? Take a help of AI, create some short dashboards which will show you the broken parts, what broke, what is the issue might be possible. Or if you are a QA, which today we're going to discuss, if you are a QA and you have to give updates to your stakeholders. So stakeholders doesn't want to see a lot of bulky data, right?
True.
So if you can give them a quick dashboard to review what is the health status of the project, what are the test cycles you have run, and how much bugs and density, everything. So that is a great help you can take from the AI, right?
Correct. Correct.
So log analysis is there, defect analysis or test maintenance you have to do. So these type of things we can easily take help from AI.
Got it. Got it. Cool. So I think I'm very excited to see the two tools that you have in mind. So let's start with the first one. So for the viewers again, Sir is going to share his screen and he's actually going to show that how you can create beautiful reports and dashboards, dynamic reports and dashboards using AI. So, the next time you're planning to send out those DSRs, those boring emails, and you find that, okay, this is just killing my time. I think using this tool, which is being shown to you, you will be able to save 50% of your time for sure. So without wasting any more time, sir, let's start.
Yeah, let me share my screen. Is it visible?
It is, yes.
Yeah. So today we are going to discuss about one of the tool which is known as Lovable.
Okay.
So the URL to get into is lovable.dev. So it is a paid tool basically, but for few prompts it is free.
Okay.
So whatever I am telling to you is something which you can do like extremely free, nothing to pay around that. Log in with your Google credentials. So I have logged in. So I am a free user. You can see I didn't have the pro account with me.
Correct.
So what I've done right now, I have created two files, dummy files for demonstration purpose. So let's suppose this is a bug report,
Mm-hmm.
whatever bugs I am getting or I have got so far with my release testing. Okay. So you can see bug ID, summary, and tested in like detected in run number, release, severity, status, open on, close on, reported by, fixed by. Okay. So this is a dummy right now.
Mm-hmm.
And I have also created one small report regarding my test runs. So
Okay.
user login runs, when it was run, what is the test date, how many test cases, pass, fail.
Correct.
Basically, what our normal testers created that. Correct.
Correct.
So I have created like user login, registration, profile update, and certain releases. Let's suppose there was some issues. I got V 1.0, then some fixes came, V 1.1, then 1.2, something like that. Okay.
Correct.
And these are the test cases I have executed. These are passed, these are failed. And this is the certainly like my V 1.2 is my final build. I've tested everything. And this is my test run report. And whatever bugs I have got around this testing, I marked there.
Correct.
Very simple thing which we usually push to our leads or our stakeholders, managers, right? So this is a dummy, so it is very small. But when we talk about our daily work, right, it might possible that bug count is in hundreds or
Correct.
more than hundreds for
Correct.
any release. So
It-
no one will sit and see these boring reports, correct? If I will say you to see whatever written here, you can only see top 10, 20, okay? And again,
Mm. Mm.
because stakeholders want what is the final call, what is my product quality, how it is going, what we have tested, right?
Correct.
So to make these type of interactive dashboard, just take a help of lovable.dev.
Okay.
Okay, just take help of lovable.dev. And this, what we can do, this is a simply, you can see a chat GPT type prompt engine, correct? So what we need to do, we have to give some prompt into it.
Okay.
Okay. I have created one prompt document to save the time. So
Okay.
basically what I can do, so my screen is visible.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Good. So I've created one small prompt. This prompt also you can take help of chat GPT and create. So a lot of AI integration tools we can use to create these type of dashboard.
Okay.
So my objective is
Mm.
to create a dashboard for showing my release build quality. It will take two files, test run details and bug reports. On the basis of that, create a dashboard with example algorithm, dashboard matrices for visualization. You can generate chart using these data.
Okay.
Okay. I've created one test case pass rate, like what is my pass rate, it will calculate average pass rate, V1.2 pass rate, okay, and bug trends. What are my bug trends?
Mhm.
So I've given this sample. As in sample, this is my algorithm. Read this algorithm, I'll push two files into it,
Mhm.
okay, and do the analysis and create the dashboard for me.
Okay.
Okay. So I've given some sample that like if I have V 1.0 with average pass 93%, this, and bug trends like how many bugs open, close, severity, bug count. Okay, and in the end, I have written UI should take these two files as a browse button and then do the analysis on them. Very simple, easy language.
Mhm.
So we'll copy this, go here, paste it, enter it. Okay, once we enter this,
So it's more like we are sharing the prompt and a template sort of that what you have to do, and then you replicate this for other data as well.
right. So this is something like a standard template which we have created.
Correct.
Every organization have the standard template, right? So accordingly, they can give their template detail to this. Right now, I have taken this dummy template. So I have the bug count, open, close, test run, name. Okay. But this template is pretty much similar what most of the organization uses, right?
Okay.
So what it will do, this Lovable will do all the crafting for you to
Mhm.
create that dashboard, create that what to say front end small application,
Correct.
correct? In TypeScript, and this is something as a dashboard where you can push these files. It will do some analytics on the basis of algorithm
Mhm.
we have provided in the prompt,
Mhm.
and it will generate the charts for us.
Got it. Got it.
So far, I think it is very basic and clear, right?
Yeah, it is. It is. And I think it will be very helpful, especially when you are sending out those final sign off emails that with the end users or the clients or maybe the UAT users, that will
Right.
definitely be very helpful.
Correct. So it will take some time to create this.
Yeah, because I think there is a lot of analysis going on, so that's why.
You can say because it's a free tool, right? So free always take the back seat on the pro. So if we have the pro, it will not take that much of time. But right now we have a free account, so it take little bit time on
Got
creating and spinning up the portal for us.
got it. So, sir, can we do the same thing on Chat GPT as well, or on any other AI agent? Oh, sorry, AI tool, my bad.
Yes, on GPT we can do, right? But GPT have the limitation. GPT will write the code for you, okay?
Mhm.
And it will not create a dashboard, like it will not give you a running instance, correct?
Okay. Okay.
You have to copy that code, paste it somewhere in VS Code, set up all the libraries, npm install everything. Might possible it will break somewhere, then you need some help of any front-end developer, or again, you will go to the chat GPT to solve these problems, right? But
Got it.
here the everything has been taken care by Lovable.
Got it. Got it.
Correct. So Lovable is creating everything for you. It is creating all the files, all the running environment it will give to you. No need to install anything on laptop. Okay. So that's why this Lovable have the advantage here.
Thanks. It's going to save you a lot of time, I guess, then in that
Yes,
case.
it will. And again, once our application is up and running, right, we can publish it also.
Okay.
So this URL you can share with your whatever stakeholders, so that they can directly click that URL and go.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
So you can see that it has created a comprehensive. So it has given the name quality release lens. You can
Mhm.
see, right? And it is trying to load this application. So this is our dashboard. Okay, sample dashboard is here. So here it is asking two files which you want to upload here,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
So it is test run. So we can give the test run file here. It is asking for our bug reports.
This
Just
can be
push
given.
this.
Right. Right.
Then after that, just click on analyze data.
Uh, this is creating beautiful reports.
Okay, so this is the report which I think most of the stakeholder is interested to see, right?
Mhm. Correct. That's right. And I think when you share something like this, it sort of impresses the end users as well.
Yes.
Cool.
So you
Sounds
can see that it has a recommendation. Two high priorities issues are still open. Take the look. And as per internal calculation, it had created some in algorithm to give the build quality score 81 by 100, good quality, because our passing rate is 95% and bug resolution is 83%.
so it's doing
Okay.
analysis on its own as well.
Yes, yes. So that type of algorithm we can change by prompting here more and more whatever you want, right? So that all type of UI changes you can do, or if anything you want to highlight recommendation or something like that, that can be easily done by this prompt.
Got it. Got it.
Okay,
This looks
so
and I think, sir, it will be really helpful for the viewers if we can share the prompt and these files, the sample files with them as well. Maybe just with some
yeah,
limited data, so they have a
yeah.
very good starting point as well.
So when you click here, right, and next tab, let me this. So this is that URL which you can share with
Correct.
your teammates or stakeholders,
Mhm.
right? So majorly your teammate can use this, they can push their files here, analyze it, and it
The
will
team, right?
create this type of document. And if needed, take the screenshot of it, or if you want to pull all the code from it, you can take the help of it here also. Like it has the code and everything available here.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Okay, so this is the code it has created.
Okay. Okay. This looks
Okay.
good. This looks amazing.
So this is the way we can easily take help
Got it.
and create any type of dashboard, because it is a sample I have given to you.
Mhm.
You can create any type of dashboard, if it be it a quality of a build or the pattern of your builds, how your builds are going, health quality of project, or whatever you want to create from it.
Got it. Got it. Cool. Okay. Okay. Sounds good.
This
Okay.
is the first.
I think for the first part or for the first tool, I will share all the information in the YouTube video description as well. So, sir, anything else that we need to share on this tool?
No, I think we are good to go.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Then I think let's go on to the second tool, wherein we will talk about how you can leverage AI to or in the automation world or in Selenium WebDriver.
Yeah.